Practice question number 8. What are the solutions for 3x squared plus 12x equals 15? And we're going to solve this by completing the square. Okay, so what is our first step in this case? We want to factor out a 3. The 15 is just going to stay there. But 3x squared divided by 3 is x squared. 12x divided by 3 is 4x. A common mistake is actually to factor out 3 from the 15 as well, but we won't bother doing that. We won't do that. Okay, now what? We have factored out the 3. Now we want to add a number over here that will give us a perfect square trinomial. We're also going to take it away though, because we don't want to change the equation, do we? No, we don't. So by adding and taking it away, we're actually not changing anything. Great. So what number is that? Well, to find that out, I can take the 4, I can divide it by 2, and I can square it. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 squared is 4. So I will add a 4 and take it away. Great. Now what? I want to take this outside, out of the parentheses. So I still have the 3. X squared plus 4x. Let me change colors here just to indicate everything well. Maybe use the red here again. Now negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And we need to do that to take it outside. To take it out of the parentheses, we just need to multiply it by 3. Consider this the bouncer of the nightclub. You have to go through the bouncer. And over here we have still the 15 just waiting. Okay, now this trinomial, we can factor it into x plus 2 squared. Now how can we factor it quickly? Nice and clean like this. You can just take the 4 and divide it by 2. And we're going to have that number right there. Now, I can also add 12 to both sides of the equation at this point. Just so that I have 15 plus 12, 27. Well, that turned out to be a terrible looking 2. That's a 2. Now what? Now we can actually just divide both sides by 3. We want to get rid of this 3 over here. Now they will cancel out. So we have x plus 2 squared equals 27 divided by 3 is just 9. Then at this point, I can take the square root from both sides of the equation and have a plus or minus square root of 9 on the right hand side. These will cancel out, and we have x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3, because the square root of 9 is just 3. Then I can subtract 2 from both sides of the equation, and x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus 3. So we have two answers. Negative 2 plus 3, which is 1, and negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 5. That's it. So the answer is B.